guys and welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in today's video, you will get to know about Rekindo website reviews, and in today's video, I'll help you know that whether this website is a legit website or not. Before I start, I would like to mention that this video is a truly unbiased video as this website does not belong to us. Now, talking about the website, let us know first what this website is all about. So guys, Rekindo.com is an online shopping store which mainly deals in men clothing and accessories. So here are the images of the product you can see in the home page. But as you can see guys, you cannot scroll this page much, which shows a sloppy sign on their part. Now coming to the menu section, let us have a look what are the different categories they provide you. So guys, these are the categories. Let us see the short section of the website here. So guys, these are the shorts. They are really very attractive and are priced really very low, which is attractive but suspicious too. Guys, do share your reviews if you have any about this website or any experience about the products of this website with us in the comment box below. Now this was about the shorts. Let us see the shoes section. So guys, these are the shoes. As you can see, they are very attractive and are priced low again. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that the product images provided here are limited, and if you'll click on the next page option, you will see again the same product images, which is not a good sign again, and it may be a scam sign. So guys, be aware of such scam signs. This was about the website. Now let us see the return policy and let us know what are the return details they provide you with. So as you can see here, product within 30 days if you are not satisfied, and you can read more about the return policy here on this page. This policy. Now let us have a look at the shipping policy of the website. So guys, see that they generally deliver their product between 1 to 3 business days. However, it can take 6 to 9 business days in some cases, and you can read more about the shipping details here on this page. This was about the shipping policy. Now let us see the contact details of the page. So as you can see guys, these are the contact details, but let me tell you one thing. After confirming from other websites, I came to know that the email address and contact detail provided here are not available. If you will dial this number, you'll never get answered, and this office address is also a fake one, which is a big scam sign. Guys, be aware of such scam signs and these type of scam websites online. Now this was about the website. Talking about the advantages, we could see that this website shows you a variety of items which are priced very low. And another advantage, we could see that this website shows a valid SSL certificate. Coming to the disadvantages, we came to know that the contact details were all fake, and this website is very poorly designed, which is not a good thing. And coming to the domain name, this website is new because it was created only 2 months ago, and it has a new domain name, which is not good to be trusted. So coming to the final verdict, guys, I won't suggest you to buy anything from such websites because they show many scam signs and have limited details about them. So guys, I hope today's video was useful for you. Guys, be aware and shop wisely. So coming to the end, I would say that guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and help them get aware of such scam signs and of such scam websites online. And do subscribe to our channel guys to know more about such videos and make yourself aware of such scam websites. Guys, don't forget to share your reviews with us in the comment box below. And yeah guys, don't forget to like this video. Thank you.